Okay, welcome to Beez's tries to pre-mixed chocolate cookies bullshit cooking. The Bee Show presents that. Okay, so we're gonna try this. We've got all the ingredients right here. Look at that. Perfect. And we're going to start to go now. Here we go. So we're gonna cut this open. Cutting open with these scissors. It's the best way to achieve our goal of world cutting. And there we go. Cut it open. And now we're going to put it in there and everyone clap because I'm about to show the bowl. And now, wow, yay! We were able to pour pieces of plastic, a plastic bag out of the plastic bag, yay! Okay, so next we're gonna heat the butter up, and then we're gonna just have 40 seconds of me talking for no random reason. Here we go. Maybe more, because we're gonna bloody push the bloody thing in, and then set the timer. Oh, there we go. Yay, yay, we set a timer to our microwave. Thumbs up if you can do that. Like, March and April have been radically changed, like, the landscape of this world. Like, holy shit. Like, the cinemas have completely disappeared from my life, and I'm like falling into a abyss of not going to the cinemas to watch a movie, or even talking to people, or anything like that. Anyway, now we move this into there, and we're gonna start mixing it until we realize that it's not in focus. I'm just gonna mix it before, and then we're gonna mix it now. And now we're gonna be like, oh my god, we're not in focus? What? There we go. And now you just mix it, and it's gonna be rough dough, even like when you're just making it normally. It's very rough to mix with this one. You have to get close on it and get into it. Massage it. What do you do now? Look at that, I've got the gloves on standby. I can't even put the gloves on. Can you put the gloves on, Jimmy? No, you cannot. No. guys. Bye bye.